Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So a while back ago, I made a video on how to buy and sell a stock on Webull, and I noticed that the user interface has changed a little. So today I'm going to give you guys a new update on how to buy and sell a stock on the Webull, and specifically it's the Webull app. So with that being said, let's jump over to the mobile app and show you how. So first things first, when you open your Webull app, you'll be taken to this screen right over here, and this is the watch list, and you won't see the exact same stocks that I have on here. What you could do is just add your ticker symbol and whatever stock that you want to watch, actually. If you can't find it, or if you want to know how to add one or search for one, just click on this search icon right over here, and I'm going to pan over here just to hide that. So what I'm going to do for today is going to just buy AT&T, and I'm going to sell another stock that I have in my account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the search icon on the top right. So you can't see it right over here, but it's on top right over here. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to search up, I'm going to just pull this down. I'm going to search up AT&T, and the ticker symbol is just T. So actually it's right over here. I'm going to just click on that instead. And I have a couple positions on that. So I'm going to just scroll this back up. Sorry, I just have to cut this out. So right now, AT&T is trading at $27.48. So what I could do is just, scroll all the way down, or in this case, I don't have to scroll all the way down. Just click on trade if you're actually gonna buy a stock. So this works for any type of stocks. So just click on trade. And then on here, you'll be taken out to this screen, and there's an option right over here. So you have a buy and a sell and a short. So for today, we're gonna buy an AT&T stock. So there's a limit order. So for the order type, there's limit, and if I were to click on it, it will pull up a market order, a stop limit, trailing stop, but those are a little bit more advanced. And then there's group orders that you could simultaneously buy and close. So on these, for this example, I'm gonna do a market order. So a market order is when you're just buying the stock as is for the market price. A limit order allows you to control what you're willing to pay and sell. So in this case, so for this example, I'm gonna just choose a market order because then I could just, let you see the entire walkthrough of how a stock is actually being bought. So on market order, notice that there's fractional share trading enable. You don't have to buy a full share. You could just buy, like $5 worth of it. And for the market type, this for fractional share, it has to be $5 or more in order for you to even execute the trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on market, and then right over here. So the order type is market. Right now I have whole share enabled, clicked here. So what I'm going to do is click on that just to get rid of the whole share and then show you the fractional share. So fractional share, you could just put, 0.5 if you wanted to. And then if I click next, it'll just, show me that I'm going to be paying $13.73. But then if I click on whole share right over here and then enter just one, you can buy as many as you want as long as your account allows. So one is $27.46. So we'll go ahead and I'm gonna hit buy down over here. And then right now I just bought one and filled at $27 and around 47 cents or so. So I filled in that. So that's buying it. If I were to go back to my account, you'll see that I bought one share right over here, and then hit on position right over here. There's a little briefcase, and you'll notice that I have one. Actually, I bought a couple of shares already in the past, so notice that I have 101 share right over here. So I have that, just that one share. Now I'm going to show you how to sell a position or sell one of the stocks that you have in your accounts, or in this case you can sell AT&T if you like, but I'm keeping this AT&T stock. So then I'm going to close this out, just minimize it, push this down. And then I'm going to go to my actual account. So once you buy a stock, it's going to be in your account. So I'm going to back it out here, and then I'm going to cancel this. So you're going to be taken back to this screen once you back everything out. So click on this icon right here, this Webull icon in the center, and it'll take you to this account, your accounts per se. And then what I'm going to do is sell a stock. So in order to sell a stock, I'm going to have to click on one of them. So I'm going to be selling CX today. So I'm going to just click on CX. And right now, currently, I have one. The total cost I bought it for was $7.67. So now the market value is $8.21, and I made a profit. 54 cents, or in terms of percentage, 7% or so. So I'm gonna hit. So the thing is that it won't say sell right over here, so it's gonna have a close. So what you're gonna do is click on close, and then it have a close icon right over here. So click on close, and then I'll take you up to this screen right over here. So right now, when you hit close, it'll prompt a sell order. So what it is that I'm gonna be selling CX stock. So in this case, it's gonna be CX selling, and the order type, I'm gonna choose market again. Limit is where you could choose when to sell the price that you wanted to sell at. So right now, the current price is $8.21, right? If I want to sell it maybe $9 or so, I could click on that and just adjust it to $9 if I wanted to. So I'll just delete that and just click $9 and hit next. So now it'll just state that I'll be selling CX stock at $9. So I'm gonna head and just let you know and see how this order will not execute. So if I just were to put limit right here at $9 and quantity just one, only regular, I could just, for trading hours, I could just hit only regular hours, or I could just hit extended hours if I wanted to, and that'll just be longer. But I'll just, for the sake of this example, I'm going to show you just a sell type on here. So if I click sell, it's not going to execute. It'll just be working in place. So I'm going to just go ahead and cancel this order because I know that it's not going to hit $9 today. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel right over here. And then it'll just be blah, blah, blah. Just if you want to cancel order, just hit yes. And then now it's canceled. So if I back this out and then hit close again, and then hit close, because I'm closing out a position here, which is aka selling. So I'm going to do the market type and just hit market right over here. And then I'm going to just do a whole share, sell one, and then time in force, I'm going to just do day. So just right here, just day. And then I'm going to hit sell. And when I hit sell, it's probably going to execute, be selling it at $8.21. So I hit sell right over here. And voila, it sold at $8.20. So notice that even though you have the price at, it was at $8.21, the market will probably give you a lower price just to execute it faster. If you're lucky, you probably get the market price at $8.21. So there you have it. I just sold one share of the CX, and then also showed you how to buy one as well. Hope that's helpful, and hope you could see my little cursor moving around instead of just putting arrows on the screen. Overall, hope this step-by-step video was easy to follow, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you haven't signed up with Webull yet, maybe consider doing so, because they're still giving me 2 free stocks that could be valued up to $2,300. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all later.